Let's moving to the next point, point number 6. Yesterday, even we have discussed on this point also. Equation of the straight line passing through 2 points. So we have the equation of the straight line in 1 point and slope. That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And I know the formula how to find out the equation, the slope of the line joining of the 2 points. Slope of the line joining of the 2 points. Clear? These are the points I have discussed in the previous class. Let's moving to the problems related to this concept today, and we'll try to extend few more points. Today's concept, problem number 1. What is the concept I have given to you? 2-point form. Equation of the straight line in 2-point form. What is meant by 2-point form? Y minus y1. I can make use of point and slope form only. But slope formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the formula. And the first question is asking just find the equation of the straight line passing through 1 comma minus 2. And B point is just minus 2 comma 3. You can substitute those values here. A point will be considered as x1 y1 and B point is considered as x2 y2. Clear? What is the equation of the straight line passing through 2-point form? Either you can take directly or first find out the slope and we can make use of 1 point and slope form. Can we calculate directly? So equation of the line is equation is y minus y1. Y1 value is how much he has given and what is that?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I got minus 5 by 3, sir, answer.
Slope?
Yes, sir.
Minus 5 by 3. Very good. Y minus y1 is equal to y2. Y2 means 3 minus y1 value minus 2 divided by x2. x2 value is minus 2 minus x1 value is 1 into x minus x1 value is 1. So y minus of minus, that is plus 2, is equal to 3 plus 2, that is 5 divided by minus 3 into x minus 1. So this is equal to, can we write minus 5 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 into x minus 1, and the left hand side value is y plus 2.
Sir, I got answer y plus 2 plus 5x by 3 minus 5 by 3 equals 0.
You cannot write like this. As I said, whenever he is asking the equation of the straight line, you can write in its standard form. What is its standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. These are the various forms, but 3 will be on left hand side. You can multiply 3 times y plus 2, and this is equal to minus 5 times x minus 1. You can distribute it. It is 3 times of y plus 6 is equal to minus 5x plus 5. Everything will be on left hand side. 3y plus 6 plus 5x minus 5 is equal to 0. First write in x standard form, and then y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the required answer. Yes, Ritvik?
Sir, how can we know when we have to use the 2-point form?
He has given 2 points, no? A and B, 2 points are there. In the previous question, we have 1 point and m slope or inclination, theta value. Have you observed the last concept, fifth question, fifth point? Almost 5 to 6 problems we have done.
Yes,
Ritvik.
sir.
Yeah. So whenever inclination theta value is given or slope is given with respect to one point, we can make use of y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Here 2 points are given. At that time, we can make use of this formula.
Okay, sir. Sir, then when we will use y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x,
What is the formula and where you are using that y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1? For
when
which
we
you are
are
finding?
finding out the slope, sir.
That is, here it is a slope formula, no? This is the formula for slope.
Okay, sir.
Slope is involving for finding the equation of the line. Now, question number 2, find the equation of the line containing the points.
There is no midpoint formula, sir.
0, comma, minus 3. Yes.
Yes, sir, midpoint formula, sir. M1 minus M2 by 2, comma, M2 minus N1 by, like that it will be, no, sir.
We don't have any formula like that. What you are telling, it is midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2. Average, that not necessary to discuss that formula. Average. Midpoint means what? Average of the given points. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Yeah, so this is the given question. Second problem. This is left for you guys. Make it fast. If you are completed, just simply raise your hands. Even I can write the third question also. Problem number 3. The 2 points are given to you. 1, comma 2. And 1, comma minus 2. Make use of the same concept. Try to find out the equation of the straight line.
Sir, where is the
Passing
question,
through
sir?
these 2 points.
Sir, where is the question?
2-point form, equation of the straight line in 2-point form. I have given 2 points, second and third question. Same as the previous question or not? Whenever we have 2 points, we can make use of the same formula. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So clearly, x1, y1. 2, comma minus 3.
It will solve, sir.
You can solve. You have to solve, Nana. X2, y2. Just I'm writing the points. X2, comma y2, 0, comma minus 3.
Sir, for second one, I got y plus 3 is equals to 0.
Can you repeat again? What is your answer for the second one?
Sir, y plus 3 is equals to 0.
Y plus 3 is equal to 0 for this second question. Only y plus 3. No x terms are there.
Sir, I
No,
have a
sir.
doubt.
Rian, any doubt? Rian.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I
Ritvik.
got y plus 3 equals 0.
Right, very good. Ritvik.
Sir, I didn't understand how here the a value x1 is 1, no, sir. How did we get minus 1?
Where x value minus 1?
In the first question, sir. At the line, you gave the
What is the
initial.
what is the formula? X minus x1. What is the formula?
Oh, okay. X minus 1. Okay, sir. I
X
didn't,
minus, in
I got
between we have
confused,
minus.
sir.
Yeah. Even left hand side, Ritvik, left hand side is also y minus. Minus of minus. See here, minus of minus, I got plus here.
Yes, sir.
Linesha,
Yes, sir.
next question. Next question. Ranveer, Rohan. Anyone got the answer for the next question?
Sir, I'm
For the
getting
second
y
answer,
minus. Sir, third one you are asking, no, sir.
Ha.
Sir, I got third one. Y minus 2 is equals to minus 4 by 0 into x minus 1, sir.
That is important for us. I have to work on it. What you got, just I'll work on it. Guys, the first one is clear. Harshal, are you there?
Yes.
Harshal? Okay, -4. Very good. Harshal. Sean, are you there? Vagdevi. Vigneet. Very good. So once I'm going to discuss with the first one, question number 2, I mean, y minus y1 value is -3 is equal to y2 minus of -3 y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y plus 3 is equal to -3 plus 3, Nana. Here you will get -3 plus 3
Sir, I got
divided by
4x
-2.
plus y minus 6 equals to 0.
Okay, I
Third
got
one
different
also.
answer. What you said that somebody told that something divided by 0, that is what you are getting. Is it 0
Third
divided by
one, sir.
anything? Yeah. 0 divided by anything will be 0 only.
0.
Left hand
Yes.
side value is just y plus 3. Boop Singh, are you there? And the next third question, y minus y1. You can write first x1 y1, x1 y1 as 1 comma 2, and b x2 y2. Second point I'll consider as b x2 y2 will be 1 comma minus 2. Be careful, guys. So here what we can write, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y minus, what is meant by y1 value, guys? Is it 2 or not? Is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. x1 value is how much? It is 1. Now, there is a problem, sir. You will get undefined. You will get undefined -4 divided by 0, x minus 1. But don't do like this, because whenever 2 points are given, we must have one line. Definitely, we must have one line passes through these 2 points. 0 will be on left hand side. Y minus 2 is equal to -4 into x minus 1. Hope you can understand my point. This step is important, guys. What you are thinking that, sir, -4 by something means it is undefined, we don't have any equation, or you are able to write that y minus 2 is equal to, no, you cannot write like this. For any point will be given, 1 or 2 points will be given, one equation must be satisfied. That equation we can call it as a line, passes through the 2 points. So left hand side entire part is 0 is equal to -4 into x minus 1. This -4 will be on left hand side. 0 by -4 will be 0 only. I'll get just x minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, sir, Shashank, you can.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the second question, we can write in the last second step, y plus 3 is equal to -3 plus 3 by
Yes.
-2 into x minus 2.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. There we can directly send the -2. In the next step, we can multiply y plus 3 with y minus 2. No, sir. -2. No, sir.
You can multiply, no problem. Just apply cross multiplication, but right side is 0 or not? 0 into anything
Yes,
will be
sir.
0. So that -2 will be, take it on right hand side again. That -2, if you want, you can take it on right hand side. This is a common value. -2 is a common value. 0 by anything will be 0 or not? 0
Yes,
into
sir.
anything will be 0 or not? This entire
sir.
right side part is 0. So So why you are taking again minus 2 will be on left hand side? What you are telling, sir, I need to multiply, just I need to multiply with minus 2 to the left hand side. I'll get minus 2y minus 6 is equal to
Yes.
right side 0. Again, can we take minus 2 as common? Can I get same
Yes,
y
sir.
plus 3 is equal to 0?
Yes.
Or divide the total equation by minus 2. I'll get the same function.
Yes, sir. Sir, is
Right.
minus 2
Sir, I
minus
have a
6
doubt.
equal to 0 is right?
Yes, please. Minus 2.
Sir, is minus 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. That is correct, sir.
Minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0 is also correct. But being a mathematics student, you cannot write like this because there is a common divisor. So we
Yes,
can
sir.
have the common divisor. So we cannot take like this. You can divide by minus 2.
Yes.
Clear?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Right.
Rohan.
Yes, sir.
Just 1 second. Srinidhi, any doubt? Srinidhi.
Sir,
Ritvik,
Srinidhi is asking to explain question 3 again, sir.
just 1 second. Rohan. Ritvik, any doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, I
Yeah.
didn't understand the second sum last, sir.
Where? Minus 3
minus
plus
3
3.
minus 3 plus 3 by minus 2. After that, how did we get 0 by minus 2, sir? Did we cut to
What-
minus 3 and plus 3?
What is 3 minus 3?
0. Okay, sir.
Yes, Rohan.
Sir, 0 x minus 1 equals 0 is correct only. Sir, but will it be right to if we write y minus 2 equals to undefined or minus 4x?
No, you
plus
cannot.
2?
No, undefined means what? There is no straight line should be formed.
Okay,
You
sir.
cannot write like this. We need to represent the equation of the straight line. We cannot write, I mean, suppose if you are writing y minus 2 is undefined means we don't have such a line. That is its meaning. Okay, so you cannot write like this. So he's asking, find the equation of the straight line.
Sir, and
So here this
sir,
part,
can we write minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0?
that is what he asked, even Ritvik also. There is a common divisor. Why you are not dividing with a
No, sir.
both sides by minus
We had
4?
to
Any
take
problem?
the simplest, sir.
That is the thing. Yes, simplest to form. Being a mathematics student, you have to simplify. What is your doubt? Sir, I can write as it is. No, Nana. 0 by minus 4. Divide
is
both sides by
sir.
minus 4. Minus 4 divided by minus 4. It is not wrong, but being a mathematics student, you cannot
Sir,
write like
thank you,
this.
sir.
Minus 4 by minus 4 cut x minus 1. And if you want, you can write x is equal to 1 if you are taking that value on left hand side. It is also correct. Moreover, your answer is correct. I can conclude here only. But being a mathematics student, you cannot write this step. You can write the next step. Srinidhi, you can unmute and you can talk. Srinidhi, any doubt? Hope you can understand this step, guys. After, I mean, denominator value is 0, always will create a problem in the, from the first class onwards. I'm stressing on this topic. That is undefined concept, 0 power 0, 0 by 0, 0, infinity minus, there are a lot of
Or anything by
questions
0
arise.
is not different.
There is a lot of questions arise whenever we have an undefined format. Okay, be careful, guys. Ritvik, any doubt? Still any doubt? Ritvik.
Sir, how we are getting x minus 1, sir? From where we are getting that?
There is a, I mean, you have a simple,
मैं कान हो गया तो
yes.
बक्तास पूरा सुना
Alam, keep in mute, please. Yes. So here I am dividing both sides by minus 4. This step you can understand. Ritvik. Both
Yes,
sides
sir.
dividing by minus 4. If you want, you can write this step. It is also correct. As I am telling, being a mathematics student, you cannot write this step. Both sides you can divide by -4. 0 by -4 again 0. -4 by -4 cut. You will get just x minus 1. These are the simple concepts, Nana. Simple points. Calculation part is there. Can you write y is equal to 3? Absolutely, y is equal to -3. You can write. Yes. Y is equal to k, that already we have written. Y is equal to -3. Yes, absolutely, you can write. This is also correct. Because already you know that the equation of the line parallel to x-axis means y is equal to k. Yes, you can write y is equal to k value as -3. Very good.
Sir, I have a doubt from the last class.
I'll try to
Sir?
yes, please.
Sir, I have a doubt
Yes.
from the last class. Sir,
Yes.
you wrote y equal to k, no, sir?
Hmm.
Sir, and y
Yes.
is y belongs to R.
The k value is whatever it may be. We can take any value. So here I am getting y is equal to -3. Yes.
No, sir, I am
Y is
asking.
equal to
You said y belongs to R, no, sir?
No, y does not belongs to R. K, constant right side value is belongs to R. Y is one variable,
but
one axis.
Sir, but you wrote y belongs to R, sir.
K belongs to R.
Sir, and in x is equal to k also, you wrote x belongs to R.
Just 1 second. This is K, not X. Very good. K, constant value, Nana. That constant is belongs to R. Okay.
In y also, sir.
In Y
X-axis.
also, where it is. K belongs to R. Here I have written.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, nothing more than this. From this simple concepts, calculation part that you can able to do, guys. 0 by anything means how you are getting 0. Just 1 second. 0 by anything means 0 by anything means, sir, how you are getting 0. This is meaningless. Being a mathematics student, you can able to understand 0 by anything will be 0. 0 into anything will be 0. Right side entire part will become 0.
Sir,
You are
once
observing.
can you go to third sum?
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Just 1 second. Yeah, where you are not understanding, can you tell me please one by one? Third question.
Yes, sir. Sir, but it is like we should take infinity, no, sir. -4 by 0.
Again, you are coming into the same point. You cannot take as a line which is infinity. Sir, y -2 is equal to infinity. Can we have any line? Y -2 is equal to undefined. Is it clear? Y -2 is equal to undefined. The right side value must be 0 to represent as a equation. Is it clear?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
The right side value must be 0 to call it as a equation. Here there is a problem. Anything by 0. Anything by 0 means I cannot write infinity. So as I said, y -2 is equal to, you are telling that, sir, I can write undefined. Right? You cannot write like this. What I am telling, the equation of the straight line, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is your standard form. My intention, my aim is to write all the equations in this format only. I never discuss the point like this. I can write just y -2 is equal undefined, x -1 is equal undefined, but I can write x -1 is equal to 0. The right side value must be 0, but I cannot write the right side as undefined. So to make it as in standard form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here what I am doing, we are doing the cross multiplication. The 0 will be on left hand side, -4 we can keep as it is. 0 into anything will be 0 on left. Right side value -4x minus plus 4. But as I said, being a mathematics student, you can divide -4, or you can take -4 on left hand side. 0 by -4 will become 0. You will get just x minus 1. Same as the previous question. As in the previous question, what I'm getting? -2 into y plus 3 is equal to 0. Clear? -2 into y plus 3 is equal to 0. This -2 will be on right hand side, or the right side entire part will become 0. 0 into anything will be 0. 0 by anything into 0. The entire right side part will become 0. So y plus 3 will become 0 on left hand side. That is the second question. But the third question, denominator 0. That is a problem for us. The denominator 0, I'm using cross multiplication, guys. That is the thing. Linesha?
Yes, sir. Sir, you said no, sir. 0 by anything will be 0. Sir, then anything divided by infinity will be also 0 only, no, sir?
I'm not getting infinity in denominator. And we have infinity here, anything by 0 is there.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm
Yeah,
talking
so
about the third sum, sir. -4 by 0, no, sir. So we can write it as infinity if we transfer this from right hand side to LHS.
that
We'll
is
divide the infinity.
you absolutely correct what you says, but now guys, you people are not understanding this step. If you are moving like this, then we never understand. Linesha, you are so good. What she said, sir, she can write y minus 2 is equal to anything by 0 is undefined and x minus 1. Sir, undefined, you can take it on left hand side. Y minus 2 divided by undefined is equal to x minus 1. Sir, you said that 1 by infinity, undefined means y minus 2 divided by anything by 0. That means 1 divided by 0, I can write x minus 1, and 0 will comes in numerator. We can write. So, पूरा गोल घुमा के फिर आगे को जाना पड़ेगा आपको. So, similarly, if I'm taking this part, guys, we never understand being a 8th or 9th class student, right? That's your procedure and absolutely correct. But my intention, you never introduced infinity in this concept. Remember, whenever we got infinity, you can write something divided by 0. Hope, guys.
Sir, what I am saying is
Sir?
directly we can do in that method, no, sir.
That is what I'm telling. Infinity, I don't want to introduce infinity in this concept. Will creates a problem for us, for 8th and 9th class students. Okay, so we never introduce this infinity concept.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Shashank?
Yes, sir. Sir, in the formula ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, c is a constant, right, sir?
ABC are also a constant values.
Okay, sir.
Any
Sir,
numbers,
and you
that's it.
wrote
X and
y.
X and Y values are axes, I mean variables, and ABC are any constant values, any coefficients.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, and you wrote y minus 2 is equal to undefined x.
No. This part is entirely different. I discussed that is different. Undefined x, not x. This one is, I mean, it is not possible to write like this. Cross mark, this is not x. You don't go for this part, and even this part also. Can I go for the next point, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, your
sir.
screen is black.
Sir, it is visible.
I'll go for point number 7. Seventh
Sir, I have
point.
doubt,
And
sir.
yes, please.
Sir,
Today,
so,
that's, yeah, no problem.
sir, you told that
We'll,
we should write this in standard form. So now should we write it in standard form like 0x plus y minus 3 equals y plus 3 equals to 0?
yes, can you tell me once again?
So should we, after finding y equals to -3, should we write it in standard form?
Yeah, that I have restricted y plus 3 is equal to 0. She told that, sir, can we write like this? Yes, you can write like this, no problem. It is also correct.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it is also correct because even the equation of the straight line I have given what? The equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis y is equal to k is also there. Y is equal to k is there or not? These are all the different formats, Nana. Around 10 to 15 formats are there for representing the equation of the straight line. We are just in 6. I'm repeating again. Around 10 formats are there for representing the equation of the straight line. Just we are in which 6th point? Can I go for the 7?
Yes,
Can I go for the 7?
Yes,
Before
sir.
going to that, in straight line coordinate geometry, intercept, we use the word intercept. Intercept means cuts. Intercept means cuts the coordinate axis, means cuts. Cuts. Hope you can understand. Intercept means what? It is cuts or passes through.
Intersects.
Intercept. Intercept. Equation of the straight line in intercept
Sir, then,
form. Suppose this
what
is
is
your
the
x.
difference between intersect and intercept?
Intersecting means this is the point of intersection. And intersecting means one line but more than one point. See here, intercept. Only one line cutting at two different points. This is one pointer, this is another pointer. This is the point of intersection. Clear? In coordinate geometry, whenever he has given the word intercept, means cutting the coordinate axis, cuts the axis. Clear? Cuts the axis or axis. Either one time,
Yes, sir.
I mean either one axis or more than one axis. Clear? Either one axis or more than one axis. This is the point that you have to remember. And 7th point that I am going to discuss. Equation of the straight line. Equation of straight line in slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Intercept means your line cutting cuts x-axis or y-axis, that depends upon the given problem, but always try to use the standard format, that is y-intercept. I am going to take cuts y-axis. Cuts y-axis. That is y is equal to mx plus c. Let us see what is it means. What is meant by m? What is meant by c? Let us see here, guys. I can take the coordinate system. We have the coordinate system. And after that, one line is there. That line cutting y-axis. This is clearly he has given cuts y-axis. At which point? This is your point. X-axis.
Sir, one more formula also is there, sir. Y equals to m of
So
plus-
while, just one second, just I'm explaining, please listen carefully. And after that, I'll try to discuss, I'll try to answer your doubts. Okay. So while we are discussing, don't interrupt, please. So this is what one point is given, P point at or on y-axis, x value 0, on y-axis, x value 0, and I can take where it cuts y-axis at c, at a distance of c units. So what is the point on y-axis? I am taking c. Hope you can understand. On y-axis, x value 0, on x-axis, y value 0, as you said in the first and second points. And same point that I'm using here, point P is there. What is P point? X coordinate is 0 and y intercept is C. You can consider y-intercept is a c, right? Here you can write slope. The mathematicians has given some standard notations. Slope will be represented as m and y-intercept. Sir, why you are taking y-intercept as c? That is one standard representation. Y-intercept is equal to how much he has given? It is c. Sir, I don't understand how to got this y is equal to mx plus c. Nana, you know the formula. Can I take this p point as x1 comma y1? What is p point? 0 comma c. Is it clear? P point is what he has given, 0 comma c. And slope is what? Slope already he has given m. You know that equation of the straight line in point to slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Can we have this formula? The point number 5 from the 5th point. Am I clear? Can we have the 5th point? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 value is it c or not? Is equal to m, we can keep as it is because the slope of this line is m into x minus, what is x1 value? It is 0. So y minus c is equal to, is it right side value is mx? But one standard formula he has given, y is equal to, this c will be on right hand side, minus c will become plus c. So this is also another formula for representing the equation of the straight line. And now whenever you are opting mathematics or physics subjects in a class 11th and 12th, all these points you have to study. No one will prove all these points. No one will explain like this. He will give direct to formula. Just write down equation of the straight line in intercept form, equation of the straight line in 2-point form, equation of the straight line in slope intercept form, equation of the straight line in slope point form. Just I'll give just a note and I'll try to write all the 10 or 15 points what we have. We never prove like this, guys. So being a foundation student, you must understand how to got this equation. Y is equal to mx plus c. I can make use of the same formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Is
Sir,
it clear?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Just that's what I'm telling. Just I'll ask you when I'm discussing, please be quiet. Okay, so I'll ask you one by one, no problem. You can raise your hands. Even last 15 minutes, just we have discussed, we clarify your doubts only. Clear? So simply you can raise your hands. Is it clear? Y is equal to mx plus c. How we are doing? Your line cutting y-axis. At which point I am taking one standard point, 0 comma y coordinate is something. What is y coordinate? That's any point, but he has given y intercept c. You can take only this variable c value, c alphabet. Sir, I want to take a. No, you cannot take because the mathematicians has fixed it. And what is the slope of this line? It is m. So y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of the straight line in slope intercept form. Slope m, intercept means y intercept, that is a c. Clear? And even I proved also by making use of the slope as m and the point will be given as 0 comma c. Right? Now you can ask your doubts. Rohan?
Sir, instead of writing y equals to mx plus c, can we write mx plus
That's what this is a standard formula. You cannot change. That is what I'm telling. You cannot change. You can write y is equal to mx plus c
Sir,
only.
but generally linear equation is two variable means ax plus by.
That part is different. In lower classes, we can write linear equation as ax plus by. It is also x y is there, no, in the given equation. Ax plus by plus, yeah.
It's not.
So this is another format. This is another format of linear equation. Ranveer.
Yes, sir. What is the difference between intersect and intercept, sir?
In coordinate geometry, we can call it as a intercept. Intersecting means that is a general word we are using. Wherever the two people are meets, we can call it as a intersection. Wherever the two lines meets, we can call it as a intersection. Intercept means what? Here more than one line is there. This is your line, which cutting passes through the two coordinate axes, x-axis as well as y-axis. It is a plural word. And suppose if I'm telling plural, sir, you are taking just only y interceptor. You cannot tell like this. In coordinate geometry, wherever the lines are meets, we can call it as an intercept. I mean, more than one line. At more than one place, they are meets.
Sir, you took here as
Sarandeep.
x1 as 0, sir. Why can't we take x as 0?
X is a variable, x1, y1 is a point. X and y are the coordinate axis. X1, y1 is a point in the coordinate axis.
Okay, sir.
You cannot take x and y as 0. X and y as 0 means nothing we are going to take, we are going to prove. X and y are the what? They are the coordinate axis. X1, y1 is a point on the coordinate axis, or we can call it as a plane. The point in the plane.
Okay, sir.
Ritvik.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm confused when to use two formulas, sir. One is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1, and another one is y2 minus y1 by that.
Second. Yes. Just you can observe the questions. 5 to 6 questions we have solved for both the concepts. Point number 5 and point number 6. 5 to 6 questions we have solved. Ritvik.
Yes, sir.
For the fifth, yeah, let's observe the difference in the given problems. What he has given in the 5th question and what he has given in the 6th question. What is the difference? You can identify the in the given questions. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Ranveer, any other doubts?
Sir, I have a last doubt.
Yeah, no problem.
Sir, after the usage of y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, we will use this this one, sir, y minus y1.
Yeah, same formula. That y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the formula for finding the slope.
Okay, sir.
In the 5th point, the slope already given. Inclination is given to you. Directly, I can make use of m is equal to tan theta. Clear? Once you can solve the problems once again, you can understand clearly. That's it for today, guys. Still, if you're having any doubts, you can. Otherwise, we'll close the session. And most of the time today, we people have discussed. No problem, guys. So try to participate like this. We can able to clear all your doubts. That's it for today.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Good night, guys.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night, sir.